Hi, we present our work, Bagging by Learning to Singulate Layers using Interactive Perception. Autonomous bagging is a useful task for robots. On Tuesday afternoon's poster session, I will present AutoBag, an algorithm for opening thin plastic bags. While AutoBag can successfully open plastic bags from complex configurations, it takes many action steps. A potentially easier way, however, is to grasp the top layer of the bag and insert objects sideways. But this is challenging because a 1 mm difference in the gripper height can significantly affect grasping. In this work, we tackle the problem of singulating the layers. Look at the three images. It is very difficult to tell how many layers of the bag the robot is grasping. But once the robot starts moving, we can easily tell how many layers the robot grasps. Our key insight is that we can use interactive perception to help us simulate the layers. Here, we formalize this idea and propose SLIP. Singulating layers is an interactive perception. In this example, the initial grasp by the robot is too deep and it increases the height of the gripper. After 2 trials, it is able to successfully grasp a single layer of the bag. The idea of slip makes bagging a lot easier. We propose slip bagging, which first flattens the bag and then uses slip to grasp the top layer of the bag and insert objects. Slip is also effective on other types of bags, such as a fabric handbag. We compare slip bagging with AutoBag on 8 bags from 4 different categories. AutoBags are able to achieve some success on thin and thick plastic bags, but not on drawstring bags or fabric handbags. In contrast, slip bagging is effective on all these categories, achieving a success rate between 50 and 94%. We also evaluated slip for grasping fabrics and garments. We found the same motion reveals information for the robot to tell apart grasps of different layers. Surprisingly, a video classifier trained on plastic bags also has a high zero-shot accuracy on fabrics. Here, slip successfully simulates the layers of the dress. Please check out our project website. Hope to see you at our poster.